Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your web traffic with Squarespace easy tutorial step by step clearly. To increase your web traffic using Squarespace, start by optimizing your site for search engines. Begin with effective keyword research to identify terms your target audience is searching for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner or Ubersuggest to find relevant keywords. Incorporate these keywords throughout your website content, including titles, headings, and descriptions. Next, ensure your website has high-quality content that provides value to your visitors. Create engaging blog posts, articles, or guides that address your audience's needs. This not only keeps visitors on your site longer but also encourages social sharing. Another crucial step is to improve your website's loading speed. Use Squarespace's built-in optimization tools to compress images and streamline your design. A fast-loading website enhances user experience and boosts your SEO rankings. Make sure to set up proper meta descriptions and title tags for each page. These elements help search engines understand your content and improve click-through rates. Utilize Squarespace's built-in analytics tools to monitor your site's performance. Analyze which pages attract the most traffic and identify areas for improvement. Integrate social media sharing buttons to encourage users to share your content easily. This expands your reach and attracts new visitors to your site. Consider creating email marketing campaigns to engage past visitors. Encourage users to sign up for newsletters, offering incentives like exclusive content. Finally, keep your content updated regularly to maintain visitor interest. Upload new posts or refresh old content to reflect current trends and information. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your web traffic using Squarespace. Implement these strategies consistently, and watch your audience grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.